loves, welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. My name is the AfroGirl. We start off our stories with Black Sherif, who has won his first BET award for the Best International Flow category at the just ended 2023 Hip Hop Awards. The two-time nominee beat 9 other rappers for the award. He grabbed his first nomination for the same category last year, but lost to Benjamin Epps. Congratulations to him. If you go on social media right now, he's like #1 in the trends list because everybody's excited for Blacko. Once again, congratulations, Blacko. Moving on, Anita Brown, the alleged pregnant American side chick of Nigerian singer Davido, has apologized to his wife, Chioma. In an Instagram post, Anita said that she is sorry for speaking negatively about Chioma and her late son, Ifeanyi. This apology comes after she made a series of social media posts claiming that Davido had gotten her pregnant and was not taking responsibility for the child. She also shared screenshots of text messages she claimed were between she and Davido. Davido has denied her claims, saying he has never met her. However, she has insisted that she is telling the truth. Now, we have the post she made, so let's read it. She says, "I'm going through a traumatic and tragic time in my life. I honestly don't want to speak on it and don't need to or have to speak on it. It's too much to bear right now. I'm disquieted by all the events that have taken place. The only thing I will say is I regret that I let my pain and feelings of betrayal allow me to turn me against another woman. So I apologize to Chioma. I never intended to speak on you or your child. Losing is never a good feeling. Being hurt by someone you love and care about is not a good feeling. Moving forward, I would prefer to be known for the light I bring into the world. Peace and love." And I mean, it's okay. It's okay that she has finally come out to apologize because it was a bit much. It was too much. There was so much going on her page, and it resulted into insulting Nigerians, and oh, it was terrible. At least she has apologized. Let's just move on. And moving on, Burna Boy has shown appreciation to the Makola market women who are dancers under the Happy Town project. In case you missed it, they danced to his City Boy song and it went viral. He booked a major signboard at Makola to put a message across saying, "Burna Boy loves the market women from the Happy Town project." Now we have the video he put out and a series of other videos, so let's see them.
Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon. Start to the halagon. Cause you know say my people they calagon. Pull on my power. As I hating on us, make me manyamo. Not be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start to girls from uptown, that's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, yeah, Dama. Oh yeah, yeah, Jello. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon.
Guys, this is so beautiful to see, and big shout outs to Official Starter, who actually put himself out there at the Makola market and then involved all these people and then put them even in a group called Happy Towns Project. I'm so excited. I want to say congratulations because yes, imagine your mom at Makola and then her face is on there on a huge signboard over there. Charlie, you do all. You really do all. Guys, moving on to some international news. Beyonce unveiled a full trailer for her forthcoming concert film based on her 2023 Renaissance World Tour. The film's formal title is Renaissance, a film by Beyonce, and the singer has opened ticket pre-sales on theater chains. Now we have the trailer, so let's check it out.
when I am performing, I am nothing but free.
Is it recording?
The goal for this tour was to create a place where everyone is free and no one is judged. Unique.
Stand by for prop lift down.
Dark brown, dark skin, light skin, beige. Start over, start fresh, create the new. That's what the Renaissance is about.
Everyone! Welcome to Mother's Mind. That's what you are.
We dress a certain way, we walk a certain way, we talk a certain way, we paint a certain way, we make love a certain way.
At any point, they could close their eyes and be right back there and take it with them.
There is a reason why she's called Queen Bee. Because look at this. Look at the effort. Charlie, it's the outfit changes. Like, all the shows have different vibes to it. There's a reason why she's called Queen Bee. And yes, I actually did see it coming that she was going to put all of this into a film, because it's Beyonce. Homecoming says she did the same thing. So, yeah. But guys, coming back to Africa, but to Nigeria, we have Davido, and he has put out the visuals for his song Feel. And it's such a beautiful one. It was directed by T.G. Omori, and it's the second song from his Timeless album. And if you really watch I want to say the movie, because this is clearly a movie. It has a good storyline to it. It offers a compelling narrative that follows Davido and his love interest on their challenging journey towards each other in the face of diversity. And you can tell that this is quite different for Davido. And just go to YouTube and watch the video. But guys, that's about it for MX Breaks. But before I leave, let me remind you that every Friday is payday on our morning show called the AM Club. All you have to do is to dial *387 *1#, and you stand a chance to win 500 CDs. So it's not too late. You only have to give up 5 CDs to get 500 CDs. How cool is that? But guys, that's about it. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.